Now we're going to move over to our LEDO Suite demo site to show you how the backend admin tools work and how easy it is to manage your LEDO Suite website. When you first log into your LEDO Suite administrative panel, you're presented with a dashboard that looks like this. You initially have direct links into the training portal that cover topics such as search engine optimization, module-specific training, how to best use social media, and much more. We continually update this knowledge resource so that you have the latest information on how to best utilize these tools to move your organization forward. You also have a dashboard that shows you the key Google Analytics statistical information for your website. At any point in time, you can click in to see more detailed information. Google Analytics is the leading analytics tool and provides you with everything you need to know about what's happening on your website and online marketing efforts overall. On the left-hand side, you'll see various modules that allow you to manage different parts of your website, data, and applications. Let's quickly take a look at a few of the most important areas. Each section of the website utilizes our page manager technology that allows you to add unlimited pages and subpages. Let's take a look at the community data section. The community data section lists a variety of different communities in the community manager. You can edit any one of the pages. So to show you on the front end of the site, if we go to the community data page, it lists each of the communities and relevant pages that are available for the website user to go to. Let's click on the City of Huntington. Now if we flip back over to the admin, you'll see the different pages in the order that they are displayed on the website. If I want to change the order and have Huntington County, for example, be ahead of the City of Huntington, I simply click the arrow and it changes the order. Let's say we want to edit the City of Huntington web page. Simply click on the Edit button, and it brings up an editor complete with search engine optimization information with important things like the page title and the meta description, both of which show up on the search engine results page for keyword terms that you're found for. You can also manage your complete web page content in an easy to use WYSIWYG editor, complete with spell check, undo and redo. You can insert images, video, Flash, Adobe PDF documents, and YouTube videos, as well as manage basic table layouts, create links, and your basic font formatting. All this information can be updated by somebody with very nominal computer skills. If you can use Microsoft Word or send an email, you can manage your website. Let's also take a look at what we call widget technology. If I'm looking at the City of Huntington page, in the main body copy, you have the ability to manage that content through the editor we just looked at. On the right-hand side, you have the ability to manage what we call widget content. So you have a right-hand navigation here, as well as an embedded Google map and another image here that are both widgets that can be added to any page in the website. So let's look at the widgets in the admin area. To manage the widgets for a specific area, I simply click on the community data pages, and let's look at the City of Huntington. Now this widget interface shows me what widgets are in use on that page. So right now you see I have the tax incentive graphic and the Google map. This is what we're calling the tax incentive graphic, and this is the Google map. If I want to, I could change the order of those, or let's say I no longer want that graphic on there. I simply click remove. And when I go back to this page and refresh it, you can now see that that image is no longer on the site. Let's take a look at how the Sites and Buildings application works. When I come to the main user interface for the admin of the Sites and Buildings, you can see the list of all the sites and buildings that you have in your system. If I want to edit one, I simply click the Edit button, and it brings up all the details of the specific property. Each property includes certain information that's important for search engine optimization, such as the page title, the meta description, and other relevant information. Basic property information can be completed through going through a simple form process. As you'll notice, each form is also tab delineated so that it makes it quick when manually inputting information into the system. The tabs across the top allow you to have access to more advanced information like geoencoding properties so they appear correctly on the Google Maps, building details, site details, transportation related information, utilities, incentive, broker contacts, pictures of the property, and more. To add a new site or building from scratch, simply click on the Create New button. A blank site and building profile page comes up where you can begin filling out your information. Save the information when you're done and the property is ready to go live on the website. We also can provide data feeds from a variety of different sources, as well as feeding other sources from the data in your own Sites and Buildings database. Let's take a look at a few of the other modules. All the modules have very similar interfaces, so once you understand how to use the system, it's easy to add any types of new content. Here's an example of another module called Frequently Asked Questions. To add a new Frequently Asked Questions, simply click the Create New button. Once again, you have the ability to add in keywords for search engine purposes, the ability to put in your question, type in your answer utilizing the same HTML editor, save the information, and it's live on the site. Modules like the Frequently Asked Questions give you the tools you need to add a lot of new copy to the site that can really help you get found for a variety of different search terms, as well as provide a rich knowledge source for people that utilize your website. You can create an unlimited number of users and groups that can have different levels of access to manage the website. Simply click Create New, put in the user's detail. You can upload a picture, you can assign them to a group or create a new group. You can create specific roles to give them various levels of access to managing various types of content on the website, and various permissions that give them various levels of access to certain types of content such as read, contribute, write, and approve. The system is very robust in allowing you to set up a very flexible system that can create a great deal of efficiencies in your organization and allow your website to be a huge success. Thank you for your interest, and please give Cirrus ABS a call to find out how we can put the innovative LEDO Suite to work in your economic development organization.